Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Cynthia Ambrose, and guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this goddess look. If you want to know how I did it, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so jumping right into the video, I'm just going to section out my hair into smaller sections so it'll be easy for me to work with this chunk of hair in my head. So guys, that's basically what I'm doing now. And I'm trying hard to make straight lines so the hair comes out neat. So I'm just going to pack the sectioned hair into a rubber band so it doesn't come in the way. I like sectioning my hair into 4 different sections because it really makes it easy for me to work with. Alright, so further sectioning my hair into smaller sections, I'm just going to make a straight line and start from the back. So with my passion twist weave that I used for my passion twist video, it remained, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this gold color because the hair we're going to be making is going to be in the color gold, so that's why I'm using the gold passion twist. So guys, I cut it into 2 so it doesn't really get long, but that's just my preference. You can use yours like that if you want a longer goddess braid. I picked a section of attachments and I'm just further dividing that into 3 parts, and I'm twisting my way to make it easy for me to work with. So that's how I did it. And now going into the hair, I'm going to divide my natural hair into 3 different parts with the attachments so I can braid it. I'm just carefully packing the roots of my hair so this hair turns out really neat because I plan to carry this hair for a long time, so that's why I'm trying my best to make sure the hair comes out neat. I'm just braiding my hair down to the point I would want to put my passion twist at. So that's why I want to attach my passion twist now. So I'm just going ahead to straighten that out and putting that under the hair and using my mouth to hold it because my 2 hands are busy right now. So I'm using my mouth to hold it and I'm braiding the other half of the passion twist together with the attachment so the passion twist is nice and secure. So I just released the hair from my mouth, and you guys can see how it looks like. So that's the effect I want to have on my hair. I want the passion twist, or rather I want the goddess braids to look like, okay, yes, it was from my hair. I don't want it to really look like it's from the tip. I want it to be from the hair. I don't know if you understand, but that's the look I'm trying to go for. So I have successfully finished one section. I'm going ahead to make a second section on the hair so I can braid it. Guys, I found out that using the mouth of the rat tail comb gives you a straighter line than just using the tail of the comb. I don't know if you understand, but you can see that that's what I'm using to part my hair, and it's giving me really good straight lines. So going in again, I'm just packing the roots of my hair so this hair turns out really neat, and I'm trying to be careful to braid it so I lock my natural braids in the attachments. So guys, what I'm doing now is I'm putting the passion twist, and I'm getting a really good length away. I'm locking the passion twist together with the attachments by braiding them together so it comes out neat and clean. So I'm just braiding my hair to the tip. Alright guys, so we are at the top of my head, and I'm just going ahead to show you guys up close what I did in the front part of my hair. So I'm trying to get a clean part, that's why I'm really taking my time in making this part. So going in again with the attachments, I divided my natural hair into three so to match the three sections of the attachments that I made. Now I'm just going ahead to braid that down. I'm also carefully locking my natural hair in the attachment so it doesn't come out and looks untidy. Alright guys, so this is an up close view of how I attach the passion twist to the hair. And also an up close view of how I braid my hair down. So guys, I'm just going to show you what I did and allow you watch through it. So this is the finished look. I went ahead to put my hair in hot water so the hair can sleep because it was really hard. It wasn't flexible, but if you put your hair in hot water after braiding it, it tends to make the hair flexible. So that's what I did, and overall this hair took me about 7 hours to complete. It really took a lot of time, honestly. It took me about 7 hours to complete. And yes, that's just the finished look of this hair. I really had fun making this video, and I hope you guys learned something from this video as well. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so you get content like this on the daily. Alright guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.